Hello friends, today our topic is sprain. Sprain means sprain is a stretching or tearing of ligaments, the tough bands of fibrous tissue that connect two bones together in your joints is known as sprain. Introduction means establishment or formal presentation. Sprain is an injury of ligaments. A sprain is an harm or damage of the short band of tough flexible fibrous connective tissue which connects two bones or cartilages or holds together a joint. Sprain occurs due to twisting of joint. Sprain happen and expected to crumble of joint. Joints means are the areas where two or more bones meet together. During exercise, ligaments sometimes become tense and get injured near the joint with a bone means while performing physical exertions. Ligaments means a short band of tough flexible fibrous connective tissue which connects two bones occasionally stretched, rigid, and get damaged or harm near the joint means where two bones connected together with a bones means a rigid organ that constitutes part of the vertebrate skeleton in human beings. Sprains occurs at joints and any part like elbow, knee and ankle joint may be affected. Sprain happens at joints means where two bones connected together along with any reason such as elbow means the joint between the forearm and the upper arm is known as elbow. Knee means the joint between the thigh and the lower leg in humans, along with ankle joint means a joint is composed of three bones may be harmed. There is sprain is very painful and it restricts the movement of joint means when sprain happen then an individual feel great dull pain along with it keep under control the motion of the joint. There is as there is a lot of internal bleedings means there is an inflammations where sprain happen and there is great bleeding means is the loss of blood inside the body. Sprains may take place in weightlifting, track and field and tennis players extras. Sprain may happen in weightlifting means the sports activity of lifting barbells or other heavy objects. Track and field means sports which includes athletic contest on the skills of running, jumping and throwing. And tennis means a game in which two or four players strike a ball with the rackets over a net stretched across a court. Types means kind or category. Sprain has three types means sprain has three kinds or category. The three types of sprain are as listed below means the three kinds or category of sprain are as marked under. Mild sprain. Mild sprain is a slight stretching and microscopic tearing of the ligament fibers. When there is a slight tearing of some ligaments fibers and there is no loss of function is called mild sprain means at what time there is little spilt of few ligaments fibers along there is no process of losing movement is known as mild sprain. There is a Moderate sprain means there is a partial tear of the affected ligament is known as moderate sprain. When there is some rupture of ligaments is accompanied with some loss of function is called moderate sprains. Means at what time there is a little spilt of ligaments is go along with little mislaying of movement is known as moderate sprain. Severe sprain means a severe sprain causes actual tearing of elastic fibers. When there is total rupture of ligaments or even separation from bone with total loss of movement is called severe sprain. Means at what time there is complete split of ligaments or uniform disconnections from bone with complete mislaying of motion is known as severe sprain. Signs and symptoms means signs means indication or signals, and along with symptoms expressions or signs. There are a few signs and symptoms of sprains or as listed below. Means there are little indications or signals along with expressions or as marked under. Swelling on the spot means an abnormal enlargement of a part of the body where sprain occur. Acute pain in the injured part means severe, highly unpleasant physical sensation caused by illness or damage or harm around the region of the body. Softness at the injured part and pain on touching means lack of sharpness around the damaged region and highly unpleasant physical sensation on moving. Prevention: the action of stopping something from happening or arising. Some preventive measures should be remember to avoid sprain means few steps to be taken for stopping the happening should be recalled to keep away from sprain. Long term specific training or conditions means occurring over for long period of time to perform particular skills or the process of training to behave in a certain way. Warming up before participations means warming up is a preparation for physical exertion performed beforehand to take part in the contest. Wearing kneecaps, elbow caps or bandage extra means protect the knee with kneecaps and protect the elbow caps with elbow caps or a strip of woven material used to bind up a wound. Treatment and rehabilitations. Treatments means medical care given to a patient for an illness or injury, and along with rehabilitations means the action of restoring someone to healthy. Don't move the injured limb. Treatment and rehabilitations of sprain or as listed below means treatments, medical care given to a patient for illness or injury, and along with rehabilitations, the action of restoring someone to health of sprain or as marked under. Don't move the injured limb means stop the movement of harm or damaged region of the body. Consult the doctor and follow medical advice. Seek information or advice from a person who is qualified to treat people who are ill and obey the guidelines given by the doctor. In case of mild sprain, apply ice compressions 3 to 4 times in a day for 3 days. Means when there is a little spilt of ligaments fiber, use ice bag 3 to 4 times in a single day for 3 days continuously. Cover the affected area with crepe bandage, means wrapping the damaged or harmed region with the light cotton cloth to support the affected area. Keep the injured part above the level of hurt, means give some kind of support to the injured area at higher level of the hurt. After complete treatment of the injury, go for rehabilitation exercises, means when the medical care of the damaged area has been completed, then go to rehabilitations, means for restoring the normal function of injured area through training and therapy. Thanks and have a nice day.